Welcome to a new video. This tutorial will show you how to repair the instrument cluster of Mercedes C-Class W203, C-Sport Coupe, CL203 and G-Class W463 using Minitools Replacement LCD. For this repair you will need the following tools. Position the dashboard as shown and with the head of the spudger leverage on the plastic clips to remove the rear cover. Remove the front one as well. Undo and remove the display frame. Then the side button. From the rear part of the panel, open the connector and unplug the FPC. From the front one, undo the display as shown and release it. Peel off the protective films from the Minitools display and fit it in its housing, securing it. Plug the FPC in its connector, closing it. Carefully follow the following instructions before reassembling the dashboard. Switch on the panel. Identify the PCB corresponding to the instrument panel you're repairing. Measure the voltage between the points indicated in the picture with a multimeter and take note of it. If the voltage measured is between 7.7 and 7.8 volt, the problem is solved. If, as in this case, it is lower than 7.7 volts or higher than 7.8 volts, to adjust the voltage and the display contrast, we will have to do a modification of the EEPROM 93C86 with a specific programmer. Open again the connector, unplug the FPC and take out the display. With the head of the tweezers and the spudger, remove the backlight unit. With a torque screwdriver, undo the two screws of the white plastic base, which we remove as well. Using the tweezers, undo the circuit with the backlight LEDs and remove the black plastic cover. Take off the middle needle. Release the board and lay it as shown. Thermally insulate the components around the EEPROM 93C86 with some Kapton tape. With a hot desoldering iron, desolder the EEPROM. Clip the EEPROM, connecting it to the programmer. Set the reading in hexadecimal and made a backup. Identify on the EEPROM the locations 01E4, 01E5, 01E6 and 01E7 highlighted in picture. Scanning the QR code printed on the product label, open the PDF with the modification instructions. To carry out the modification correctly, type in the values related to your defective dashboard. Those used in the video are for illustrative purpose only. Use the calculation tool and type in the voltage measured before in the first box, on the upper right side. In this case, the voltage was 7.10 volts. Type in the values of the highlighted locations in their related boxes. In this case, the value of 01E4 location is 16. We will automatically get the new value, in this case 1D, to insert in the location on the EEPROM. Type in the other locations' values in their related boxes. Type in the new values obtained with calculation tool in the related locations on the EEPROM. Save the file just modified and upload it on the EEPROM. Unclip the EEPROM from the programmer. Before soldering it back, remove the thin excess from the PCB with a solder wick. Clean with some solvent. Position it with the tweezers. Solder the EEPROM on the board with a soldering iron with conical tip at 350 degrees. clean with some solvent. Remove the Kapton tape. Reattach the board on the panel. Put back the needle. Then the plastic cover and the LED circuit. Fit and secure the white plastic base, tightening the screws. Put back the backlight unit. Fit the display on its base and put back the FPC in its connector, closing it. Switch on the dashboard again and, with the multimeter, recheck the voltage between the points indicated in picture. If the voltage, as in this case, is now between 7.7 and 7.8 volts, the modification was successful. If the voltage has not changed after the EEPROM modification, we recommend to contacting us by email at info@minitools.com. Put back the display frame. Making sure not to damage the resistor on the FPC, fit back the rear cover of the cluster. Put back the side button. Fit the front cover. Switch on the dashboard. Perfetto! Problem solved! Thank you for choosing Minitools.